Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Um, I'm going to show you how to fix you are not receiving email. Maybe you're sending from Gmail or Outlook or any other email and you are not receiving email in your Hestia panel mailbox. I'm going to quickly show you how to fix this. Um, Prior to this, I hope you can watch my previous videos, like and subscribe. So now you have an Hestia panel and you are not receiving email. The problem is that you have an inaccurate MS records. So quickly log into your DNS provider. I am using Cloudflare, and on this Cloudflare, make sure you have an MS record from your Hestia panel. Go to your Hestia panel backend. If you come here, check your DNS records. You can see that there is an MS record pointing to your domain and it has a priority of 10 and an IP value of mail dot your domain. So you need to come back here, make sure it is added MS records, name, content, mail at uh, your domain. The priority should be set to 10, the TTL is auto, and save that. Now, once you do that, you should begin to receive mails. You can see here that some test emails have been dropping. Yeah, so that's just the quick fix for that. Then, if you are having issues sending email, you need an SMTP. You need an SMTP, and for you to do that, you need to check my previous video, which I explained how to. You can check here. Um, you can start from this video how to fix webmail, then this on cloud panel not working. You can also check this mailgun setup tutorial, because if you check my other MS records here, I'm using mailgun as my relay server. And what happens is mailgun is the server of which I'm sending out emails. So I'm receiving emails directly using my hosting MS record, but I'm sending out mail using Mailgun server. And for my email test, I'm having a 10 by 10 test record, so it's perfect. So this is the setup you need if you want to send mails and receive emails. Thank you.